just gonna say to Mark Domingo Cruz, with all due respect, you should not post anything in not Facebook, I mean Instagram, in Threads, over at Alan Peter Cayetano. Even Rodante Marcoleta, you label them as chicken and pug. That is really nonsense, Mark Cruz. If I were you, Mark Domingo Cruz, if you're watching this, the mother of Mark Cruz, if you're watching this, even the siblings of Mark Domingo Cruz, I just want to tell them, you need to reprimand Mark Domingo Cruz to stop posting in Instagram and Threads about Rene Bartebonia, Divina Dili, and even even Alan Peter Cayetano, oh, and even Rodante Marcoleta. Both of them are lawyers. He has to stop what he's posting. As you know, if you post anything in Instagram or Threads, Mark Cruz will be victimized of cyberbullying. This is why I heard it from Teacher May Tiburcio, about social media etiquette. Don't think before you click, Mark Cruz. You do not know what is think before you click. You posting anything. You curse me a bad word. You say about me F-U-C-K. You call me an asshole word. You know, it's very offended what you're saying at. Mark Cruz, if I'm saying to you, you will be happen to Paulo Cruzada that he was being scolded. If I were you, do not spread the lie. Do not spread the lie over at Christian Mengito that he has a girlfriend Mika Lim. And do not make a lie that Christian Mengito always collecting diecast car. Christian is matured. He sold this diecast car to his nephew. And he's no longer collecting diecast car. If I were you, Mark Cruz, stop acting yourself immature. You're very immature. You're collecting about diecast car. You're collecting what is that? You're collecting anything in the first place. You know, Mark Cruz, if I were you, stop being yourself immature. Like me, I never say that you post Alan Peter Cayetano and Rodante Marcoleta. If the Duterte supporters, even Rowena Guanzon, seen this, I know what will be happen to Mark Cruz. He will get him in trouble. He will get bashed in social media. It wasn't me. I'm not started to bash Mark Cruz. It's only the people who can bash him. I suggest to you, Mark Cruz, I just want to tell you, when I was told by Jerick Silva, tigilan mo na kasi pagpo-post sa Threads at Instagram. Because you know, you will get you in trouble. Just like what happened to me when I called Donald Trump an asshole word, and I was being bashed by Trump supporters. At least I apologize to Trump supporters during the time of the Russian invasion of Ukraine, during the time of Joe Biden. I apologize to the Trump supporters that I should not endorse Joe Biden. But I rejoin with Trump supporters. I reconcile with them. I do not debate at them. Nothing. No comment. Unlike you, Mark Cruz, you have to stop commenting about Rodante Marcoleta and Alan Peter Cayetano. They are lawyers, Mark Cruz. If you post them in Instagram and Threads, you might get sued of cyber libel. You're the one who posting about Alan Peter Cayetano. You tag him as a chicken. He's a senator, Mark Cruz. He's a lawyer. You do not know who is you're messing at. You're messing a lawyer. What if you tried that to Rowena Guanzon, Mark Cruz? If Rowena Guanzon is a lawyer, she can sue against you, Mark Cruz. I say to you, Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz, as far as my concern, as far as my decision, and I say again, you need to stop posting in Instagram and Threads. You know, Threads, Instagram, it's Meta. Oh, you need to stop. Alright, you need to stop totally. I'm not making a fight, Mark Cruz. I am just warning you. Do not post. Oh, I say again, do not post. That's all. You post about, for example, I say again, Mark Cruz. So you always post your diecast car. That is a real positive thing. But you're posting about Rodante Marcoleta and Alan Peter Cayetano. You will give them full of negatives, Mark Cruz. That's why the Duterte supporters will get angry at you. Because I know this Mark Domingo Cruz is really a Marcos loyalist. He posting about Alan Peter Cayetano and even Rodante Marcoleta, including Sara Duterte. You know what? Stop posting, Mark Cruz, about nonsense. Because, you know, for me, I'm not posting anything. Like I was told by Wawel Romero, Jerick Silva, I was told to my mom, or I was told to Ate Rona, or Teacher May. I should not post anything. Like you, Mark Cruz, as you are not listening, or even the parents of Mark Cruz, if you don't listen anyway, you need to reprimand your son and tell him stop posting nonsense.